In this lecture, we will learn how to install Python on Windows. Before we begin, please note that this lecture is specifically for Windows users. Let's get started with the installation process on Windows. First, open your web browser and get ready to download Python from its official website. In the address bar, type python.org and press enter to visit the Python website. Once the website loads, you will be on Python's official homepage. Next, move your cursor over the Downloads tab and open the Downloads page. Here you will see an option Download Python Install Manager. Let's click on it to start downloading the installer. After clicking the button, the download will begin automatically and may take a few moments to complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to launch the Python Install Manager. The installer window will appear and guide you through the installation process. To continue, click the Install Python button and allow the setup to begin. The installer will now download and configure the required Python components automatically. After that, a terminal window is open for setup. Here you may be asked whether you want to add the commands directory to the path environment variable. Type Y and press enter to allow Python commands to be used directly from the terminal. Next, the installer will ask if you want to install the latest version of CPython. Type Y again and press enter to continue. The installation process will now download, extract, and install Python automatically on your system. Finally, the installer asks whether you would like to view the online help documentation. Since we do not need it for this installation, type N and press enter to skip this option. Once the installation is completed successfully, close the installer window. Now it's time to verify that Python has been installed correctly. For this, open Windows Terminal or CMD. Then run the command python hyphen version. If the Python version appears on the screen, the installation was successful. Congratulations! You are now ready to start your Python programming journey. See you in the next lecture.